Hello my dear student, welcome to Anjuman Islam Kalsekar Technical Campus Electrical Machine Lab. Today we are going to perform open circuit test and short circuit test of single phase transformer. We perform this test to determine the efficiency and regulation of the given single phase transformer with the help of OC and SC test. To perform this test, we require the following apparatus: one single phase transformer of raised 220/115 volt, 1 kVA, one single phase variac of 0 to 270 volt of 8 ampere, wattmeter, 2 wattmeter 300 volt 5 ampere and 150 volt 10 ampere. Similarly, we require the voltmeter of 0 to 300 volt and voltmeter of 0 to 150 volt, and ammeter we required 0 to 2 ampere and another ammeter of 0 to 10 ampere. This meter should be of moving iron type. This is our transformer on we will perform the practical. This is the LV side of the transformer and this is the HV side of the transformer. LV is 115 and HV side is 230 volt. This transformer on which we are performing the practical is of 2 kVA. Another thing we required is the single phase variac of 0 to 270 volt. This is our variac. We will connect the input of this variac here to the main socket and we will take the output of this variac and we will connect it to our transformer. This is a panel on which we will perform the practical. Here, this is the panel. You can see all the meters are mounted on the panel. This is the panel. 2 wattmeter, 2 voltmeter, 2 ammeter and 2 more ammeter. And this is the terminal. You can see this is a terminal from which we will do the connection of all the meters. And this is the circuit diagram for the open circuit test, and below this is the circuit diagram for the short circuit test. In open circuit test, we will give the supply to the variac and output of the variac will connect to the LV side of the transformer, and HV type of transformer will be kept open, and we will connect voltmeter in parallel and ammeter in series and wattmeter in parallel and series to the LV side of the transformer for the OC test. And for short circuit test, we will connect the supply to the variac input and output of the variac will be connected to the HV side of the transformer, and LV side of the transformer is short circuited. And in the same way, we will connect the voltmeter in parallel, ammeter in series and wattmeter in series and parallel to the HV side of the transformer. For open circuit set, we had connected the output of the variac to the 1 ampere ammeter. From ammeter, we are connecting wire to the wattmeter. And from wattmeter, we are connecting the wire to the LV side of the transformer. Now we will connect the neutral terminal of the variac to the LV side of the transformer. Same the way, we will give the neutral to the wattmeter V terminal. Now we will connect voltmeter parallel to the LV side of transformer. Now we have done the connection of open circuit test As per the given circuit diagram, we have completed all the connection. You can see it clearly. The supply is given to the variac and from variac to the transformer via voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter. Before switching on the supply, we will keep the variac at the minimum position. Now we will switch on the supply with the help of this MCB, and with the help of this SP switch we will give the supply to the variac. Now we will slowly increase the variac by adjusting its knob and bring the voltage to the rated LV voltage, means 115 voltage. We will bring the voltage to 115. You can see in the voltmeter. Now the voltage is 90, 100. Now the voltage is 110 and now it is 115. At the same time, we will note down the reading of voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter in the observation table. You can see our voltmeter reading is 115 and ammeter reading is 0.92. At the same time, we can see the wattmeter reading is 42 watt. We will note down all this reading in the observation table for the OC test V0115, I0 0.92, W0 42 watt. And R0 and X0 we will do the calculation, and after doing the calculation we will note down the reading here. Now we will bring the variac to the minimum position again and we will switch off the supply. For open circuit test, after doing all the necessary calculation, we will find the R0 and X0, and after that we will note down this reading in the observation table. Now we will disconnect all the connection. We will remove all the connection. Now we will perform the short circuit test as per the given circuit diagram. In this circuit, supply is given to the variac. From the output of the variac, it is given to the transformer. You can see to the HV side of the transformer, and the LV side of the transformer is short circuited. And the voltmeter are connected in parallel, ammeter are connected in series after the variac, and wattmeter is connected in series and parallel to the HV side of the transformer. Now we will connect the variac output terminal phase wire to the high range ammeters, mean 20 ampere ammeter. And from ammeter we will connect the wire to the high range wattmeter M terminal. In wattmeter we will short this MC terminal, and from L terminal of this wattmeter we will connect to the HV side of the transformer. We will connect the neutral terminal of the variac to the LV side, HV side of the transformer. Similarly, we will give the neutral from the variac to the wattmeter V terminal. Now we will connect low range voltmeter in parallel to HV side of the transformer. Since this is a short circuit test, we will take a wire and short the LV side of the transformer. Now you can see our connection is completely ready. We are given the supply to the variac, and from variac we are given the supply to the transformer via ammeter, voltmeter and wattmeter. First, we will shoot that the rheostat should be at the variac should be at the minimum position. After that, we will switch on the supply MCB and we will switch on you can see the supply is switched on now. After this, we will gradually increase the knob of the variac to the rated current. We will bring the current to 8.9 ampere. This is 9 ampere. This is the rated current. Then we will note down all the reading in the observation table. At that same time, the voltage is 15 volt, you can see here, and wattmeter is showing 110 volt. We will note down all the reading, voltage, current and power in the observation table. After that, we will do the calculation for R01, X01, Z01, efficiency and regulation, and we will note down all the calculated reading also in this observation table. Now we will make the variac to the minimum position, 0 position, and then we will switch off the supply. Now after doing the necessary calculation, we will find Z01, R01, X01s and voltage regulation. Similarly, we will find the efficiency also and note down all the reading in the observation table. For the short circuit test, we will do all the necessary calculation. We will find the R0, Z0, X0, and finally we will draw the equivalent circuit diagram and find the efficiency and regulation, both the thing. This is the regulation. Hence, the OC and SC test of single phase transformer is successfully performed.